So if you're new to TikTok and you want to purchase something for the first time, it's very simple, and I'm going to take you where you need to go. Here, you just need to click on the comment section. You'll see there at the top that there's an orange button and it shows the product that you want to purchase. You're going to click on that and it's going to take you to another product page where you have the option to either add to cart or buy now. From there, it's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm going to take you through that process real quick. I'm going to add it to cart, choose my variation if that's something that the product has, and then if I'm going to go find my cart, I'm going to click at the very top where there's a little cart button, and I will find my list of things that I'm about to purchase. From there, you know what to do. So I hope this is helpful, and if you are watching this on my YouTube, you can come and purchase anything that I feature on my shorts or on my YouTube that come from TikTok by heading over to my bio or clicking on more information, and you'll see my link there. So then you can just go over and look at my page and find the thing that you are looking for. From there, click on the orange button. Sometimes it's on the front of the page, right, very visible at the front. Depending on your device, sometimes it just doesn't show there, so you could just click over to the comment section and have the same result. Hope this helps.